Hey, and welcome back to the channel for more stock market news updates. For more videos on the latest stock market news, please go and press the like button. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's stories. In the face of escalating inflationary pressures, the Federal Reserve implemented another quarter-point interest rate hike to combat surging prices due to inflation. The current interest rate range stands at 5.25% to 5.5%, reaching levels unseen since January 2001. This would be the 11th rate increase since March 2022, which reflects the Federal Reserve's unwavering commitment to curbing inflationary pressures and stabilizing the economy. However, the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell hinted at the possibility of further rate hikes in the future, with the potential for a 12th rate increase if inflation does not exhibit a significant decline. Despite the Fed's ongoing efforts, inflationary pressures remain a key concern for investors and policymakers. However, there are promising indicators that suggest the worst might be behind us. The eagerly anticipated Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, is expected to reveal the lowest increase since the end of 2021, offering a glimmer of hope for inflation moderation. Additionally, the Consumer Price Index reported a decline to 3% last month, which is a huge improvement from the alarming 9.1% recorded in June of the previous year. So this is good news for the stock market as well as the economy. Prominent corporations have responded to the inflationary environment with various strategies. For instance, Coca-Cola, which experienced a 10% price increase last quarter compared to Q2 2022, has announced that it will halt further price markups for the rest of the year. Similarly, Unilever's chief financial officer asserted that the company's price inflation has likely peaked, indicating that price increases may stabilize, even if at higher levels. As companies become more confident, we could see more consumer spending, which should invigorate the economy and the stock market. While signs of inflation moderation are encouraging, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has emphasized that addressing the job market is crucial to conquering inflation effectively. Despite the current low unemployment rate of 3.6%, Powell believes that slowing down the job market's rapid growth is necessary to bring inflation under control. Amidst this market turbulence, several prominent corporations reported their earnings. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, impressed investors by raking in a substantial $32 billion in profits during its most profitable quarter since 2021. This robust performance was attributed to improved ad sales and an increase in monthly users. However, the company's ambitious bet on the metaverse through their Reality Labs division has proven costly, with accumulated losses surpassing $21 billion since the division's inception. In electric vehicle news, we see many automakers pushing back against Tesla's dominance. In response to the rising dominance of Tesla in the electric vehicle market, major car manufacturers, including BMW, GM, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Stellantis, and Mercedes-Benz, have joined forces to invest over $1 billion in building 30,000 high-speed electric vehicle charging stations across the US and Canada by 2030. This collaborative effort aims to address the lack of charging infrastructure, which is a significant barrier to widespread electric vehicle adoption. Tesla already has their own charging network, which has been backed by Ford, Nissan, and a few others who have already sided with Tesla. Now, in the world of cryptocurrency mining, we have witnessed a concerning trend known as cryptojacking. In this method, hackers surreptitiously install mining software on unsuspecting victims' computers, allowing them to mine cryptocurrencies at the victim's expense. Shockingly, over 332 million cryptojacking attacks were spotted in the first half of this year alone, nearly 5 times the number reported for the entire previous year. This poses significant concerns for institutions and individuals who must bear the financial burden of unauthorized cryptocurrency mining. As cryptocurrencies become mainstream, we could see more cryptojacking in the future, but hopefully this will bring more attention to crypto to where it will be regulated and accepted by the majority of people. Let us now focus on single stocks. Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares expressed contentment with the company's decision to downsize operations in China, positioning itself to navigate the challenges faced by rivals Volkswagen and General Motors amid fierce competition from local manufacturers slashing prices. On top of that, federal regulators are pushing for stricter regulations on retail investment firms, exemplified by companies like Robinhood Markets. The aim is to encourage more responsible stock trading practices and safeguard retail investors. In other news, Lockheed Martin, which is a prominent defense contractor, secured a contract with the U.S. government to develop a nuclear thermal propulsion-powered spacecraft, signaling the company's dedication to advancing cutting-edge space technology. We also saw Boeing, even after reporting a quarterly loss, soared to its highest share price since November 2021, boosted by increased commercial plane deliveries. So this was fantastic news for Boeing shareholders. I also want to make you aware that Shopify, which is a leading e-commerce platform, unveiled Shopify Credit, a business credit card designed exclusively for its merchants. The initiative aims to provide financial support and resources to its customers, empowering them to thrive in the rapidly evolving digital commerce landscape. And I think that was a genius move by the company. I also heard that CrowdStrike, which is a major player in the cybersecurity industry, is reportedly nearing an acquisition deal with Bionic AI, with an estimated price range of around $250 million. This strategic move is expected to enhance CrowdStrike's capabilities and market position. Lastly, Microsoft has entered into an agreement to supply Japan's government with ChatGPT generative AI technology for clerical work and analysis, further highlighting the growing demand for advanced AI solutions across diverse industries. And there you have it. Those were the top stock market news stories that you should be aware of. For more videos like this one, go and press the like button and subscribe so you can stay informed on the latest stock news. With that being said, I wish you the best of luck and happy investing.